What's the word be again?
Em nhìn bao heo, em nhìn bao heo luôn chứ.
Mấy đứa cần tới rồi nè.
Cần tới mẹ cô tiên cái ít lúc một cái dê cần tới phát ký sinh ít lúc một tới dê cần tới phát.
So this is a very common little roadside stall you see here in Vietnam. You have sweet potatoes, egg, and inside the bamboo is sticky rice. And you just pull up and they'll heat it up on the fire there, on the charcoal. It costs about 50 cents per item, maybe 25 cents, depending on if they're charging you the foreigner price or not. And it's a great way to get out of the rain. Up pretty high here in the mountains, actually. Nice to have a little dry spot for my bike too. Oh, and they also have some tea. You can drink some tea. And some meat, which I don't usually go for. Looks like some baby chicks of some sort. And I've been coming downhill now from this pass for the past 10 minutes, past a bunch of motorcycles. Pretty beautiful road in good condition. A little bit cloudy, a little bit overcast, a little bit of rain. Pretty nice conditions, and I'm dropping down into this valley, which is just beautiful. This is one of the least developed valleys I've seen yet in Vietnam. Not much in it, just rice fields and a few little huts. I'm sure it's gonna get pretty developed soon though. It's so close to SUPed. And up there, hiding up in the clouds, is Fansipan, somewhere way up there. Pretty sweet.
Hello.
Hello. What is your name?
Đúng rồi này. Ăn cơm luôn nè.
Oh.
Ồ. Ok, thấy không?
Hello. Your what? Thanks. Lucky you. Safe travels. So this is a very common sight in Vietnam to see people drying their rice on the highway. Sometimes on even busy highways, you'll see them just laying it down. Sometimes it's on tarps, sometimes it's right down on the asphalt. It's pretty cool. Good way to do rice. Xin chào. Done yet? So it's my final day of cycling in Vietnam. Hopefully gonna take off the mask as I get into Laos. Less traffic, less people, less all of that stuff. But it's been good. Vietnam is pretty amazing. People are super friendly, always saying hello. Their driving etiquette is horrible though. It's the style of don't look and expect a honk. People will pull out right in front of you out of nowhere all the time, and they just expect you to honk. It gets challenging. It gets really challenging. Anyways, love you Vietnam. Final day of riding in Vietnam. Woohoo! Woo! Lao! Yeah! After 3 months in Vietnam, ups and downs, Got there, saw my good buddy Rain, got sick, painfully sick, went for some really hot bike rides, kayak to Katba, biked up high up into the mountains. Beautiful people, amazing place. And now I'm in Laos, or at least I'm 10 meters from Laos and I can barely stand up. I'm excited to go to Laos. Laos is the land of laid back, happy people apparently. A lot of people speak very highly of Laos. And I'm really looking forward to it. Unfortunately, they only give me 30 days at the border. I'm gonna see if they'll give me 90. Looking forward to Laos. So I made it to the Laos border, and the border police are busy eating lunch and drinking beer, so I can't actually get through the border, which is fine by me. I actually had lunch over there with them too. But it seems like they're gonna have quite a few more beers. Might have a nap. It's a good time for a nap. Yeah, so I just made it through the border. The Lao people were pretty friendly, pretty straightforward. Visa fee, which was the most expensive for Canadian. It was $42 for Canadians and $35 or $30 for the rest of the world, pretty much. I'm wondering why the Canadian fee is more expensive than anybody else. Yeah, it's good to be in Laos. Look at it. Look at it up there. It's green, it's lush. It's beautiful. Looking forward to it. Yeah. Hoping to head down the Mekong River on a boat. But I also met this guy, Felix, German guy, who's keen on going on a boat trip with me. So we'll try and find a boat tomorrow. And I think I see the boat that I want to buy. That blue one down there. Or the one beside it. They both could probably work. Go see if I can talk to somebody and figure out how much they cost. Testing out the boat. What do you think, Felix? Is it good?
Yeah, I'm slowly getting in touch with the boat. We're building up a relationship.
So the guy is asking $800,000 for this with 2 paddles. That's about $100. Take it for 2 days until we hit the next dam. Should be fun.